Yes, Ambika, you're audible but not visible. Please switch on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good evening
Good evening, sir. Good evening,
to
sir.
you.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all good. So, Ambika, tell us something about yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Ambika Rathore. I am from Alwar itself, and I completed my schooling from Alwar and from Alwar Public School. And then I completed my BA LLB honors from Amity University, Rajasthan in the year 2023. And since then, I've been preparing for the Rajasthan Judicial Services.
Okay. So, are you aware of the syllabus of Rajasthan Judicial Services mains examination?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the number of laws, the number count of laws which are a part of the syllabus.
Sir, as far as I can recall, it's 37.
Okay. 37. Tell me any four minor criminal laws.
Yes, sir. The Sales of Goods Act, Partnership Act, and Registration Act, and Specific Relief Act.
Tell me any criminal law provision from any of these four acts.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Tell me any one criminal law provision from these any of these acts.
Any of these criminals?
I just asked you about four minor criminal laws.
Oh, sorry, sir. I heard civil laws. I'm so sorry.
No issues. Okay. So out of these 37 laws, as you said, which one is your favorite law?
So my favorite is Indian Evidence Act.
Indian Evidence Act. And which of the laws is such that you don't feel confident with it?
So I hate to say it, but it's Constitution.
It's Constitution, and why so?
So I don't know because firstly it's very lengthy
Hmm.
and so vast subject, so many case laws. So
So which
otherwise
means
it's
that
good.
something which is bulky, which is vast, you won't be able to take that up.
No, so I have taken it up and I will take it up. But since you asked the question and I had to answer it, so
Okay. So tell me one provision of the Constitution which deals with uh, powers of a governor,
it is the pardoning power.
pardoning power.
Yes, sir.
And is governor bound to act upon a request?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
And within how much time should he act upon a request?
Sir, in the Constitution of India, there is no time limit specified.
Hmm. Okay. So let's come to the pardoning thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It emanates from criminal law, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between parole and furlough?
Yes, sir. So parole is a kind of release from the prison when the person needs to go out for some specific purposes. And
Okay.
furlough is given to break the continuity of the prison uh, for the
Why
prisoner.
is there a need?
So, because sometimes prisoners are sentenced for very long sentences, and so it affects their physical as well as mental health. And to revive their connection with the society again, that is why.
Why is there a need to revive connection with the society if you've imprisoned them just because you wanted them to disconnect from the society?
So the imprisonment was not to disconnect from the society, it was to reform the person and to punish him, but to revive his connection from the society is because a man is eventually a social person and eventually when he'll get released, he will have to go in the society again. So that is
Hmm.
why.
Okay. So, is there a concept? There's a concept of hak ki parole in Rajasthan. Could you please explain that concept?
I'm sorry, I'm not aware of it, but
You're from Rajasthan.
yes, sir.
You've read Rajasthan specific laws.
Yes, sir. So
Is
that's
any Rajasthan specific law part of your local law, part of your syllabus?
yes, sir.
Which one?
The Rajasthan Rent Control Act
Hmm.
and Excise Act and
Hmm.
Rajasthan Land Revenue Act and Court Fees and Suits Valuation Act.
So, what do you mean by conversion of a land?
The conversion of a land.
Hmm.
So when agricultural land is to be used for non-agricultural purposes, then it is. With the
Is it only confined to agricultural land?
yes, so as per the Land Revenue Act, it is specified.
Which section of Land Revenue Act?
Section 90A.
90A. What does it say?
So the conversion of agricultural to non-agricultural land. It needs the permission of the state government.
Can a land belonging to a person of an SC category be sold to a non-SC category person?
No, sir.
No, not at all.
No, sir. Maybe there might be some exceptions, but I'm not aware of it. But as far as I know, it cannot be
Which
sold.
provision talks about this?
Sir, it is stated in the Rajasthan Tenancy Act.
Which section?
Section, I'm sorry, I don't know.
Mm, okay. So, is there any exception where I can sell a land belonging to belonging to an SC category person, agricultural land belonging to a SC category person, to a non-SC category person?
So I think if the rule is that it cannot be sold generally, so an agricultural land can also not be sold.
Cannot be sold.
Yes, sir.
Any case.
So I don't remember all those.
Remember, okay. What is bona fide necessity under rent?
So the bona fide necessity is when a person genuinely needs the land for for his own purposes or for any one's purpose for whom he owns the land.
The Rent Control Act is a part of which list of constitution?
The state list.
State list. Is there a model rent control law?
I'm not aware of it. I'm sorry.
No. There's no central rent control act.
No, so as far as I know, there's no central act.
So out of CPC and CRPC, which procedural law are you comfortable more with?
Although I am comfortable with both of them,
Okay.
yeah.
But comparatively, which one do you
So CRPC.
CRPC you find it better? What is the remedy against an interlocutory order?
Um, Sir, there can be maybe an appeal
Appeal.
or revision that definitely cannot be happened. Maybe under section 482.
Appeal or 482?
No, sir. So for yeah, general application can be filed.
Under
482.
482. So there cannot be an appeal.
So there can be appeal also.
There can be an appeal, or it depends on which factor distinguishes between an appeal and a 482 miscellaneous petition.
So the 482 is used mostly in exceptional cases when there is no other remedy. That
So against an interlocutory order, will you go for an appeal or will you go for a 482?
I cannot remember the exact provisions about appeal from orders in CRPC, so I think that under 482 would be an option.
Okay, what is the final report?
The
FR.
final, the final report is a report which has been submitted by the police officer uh, after the completion of investigation to the magistrate.
The magistrate. What is negative final report and what is positive final report?
The negative is when the police states that no evidences have been found out and there is no point in the case. So it is made for the purpose of closing the investigation and closing the case. And the positive is when there is evidences are sufficient so as to take the cognizance of the offense.
What is the remedy against negative final report?
There a protest petition can be filed.
Can a protest petition be filed before the High Court?
So as far as I know, if the case is pending in the lower court, then it can be filed before the lower court itself. But if it is dismissed by the court, then maybe it can be filed.
What is dismissed?
So the order, the petition is rejected.
Which petition? Protest petition. So a protest petition, if a protest petition is rejected by a lower court, a sessions court, A protest petition can be filed again in a high court.
I'm sorry, I'm not aware of it.
Not aware of it? No issues. Tell me two important things which make Alwar, which are distinguishing factors of Alwar district.
From the other districts. Um, so firstly, this Alwas district has a wildlife sanctuary, tiger reserve, which not every other district or
Is the name of the wildlife sanctuary?
the tiger Sariska Tiger Reserve.
Is it a tiger reserve or a wildlife sanctuary?
So it's a wildlife sanctuary, but it has also been awarded the uh, tiger reserve also. And
What is the basic criteria to designate a place as a tiger reserve?
so when a place is designate a wildlife sanctuary is designated only for a particular kind of animal, that is to say, tigers, Bengal tigers.
So are there any Bengal tigers in Alwar?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Why are they called Bengal tigers?
So the reason I am sorry, I don't know.
Second factor,
So this for Alwar is sir, it comes in the National Capital Region.
what is the difference between National Capital Region and National Capital Territory?
So National Capital Territory is Delhi itself because it has been awarded that status. And the National Capital Region is the area surrounding Delhi which have been included in that parameter.
So if we talk about capital of India, will it be NCT or NCR?
So NCT.
NCT. Then why do we have created NCR as a separate entity?
So because those are the regions surrounding it. So to show that they have been included with the territory.
Is there any provision in the constitution dealing with National Capital Region?
So it is National Capital Territory, Delhi has been stated about.
Which provision?
Article 239 double A.
29AA. What does it say?
So it talks about the special status given to it and how the elections are to be held and appointments and
What
reservations.
other states have been given the special status category?
So National Capital Territory, so it's Delhi only.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
This much? No other state has been given special category status?
So the Union territories are you talking about? I'm not sure.
Okay. What does Schedule 9 talk about?
So it talks about the anti-war. Yes, sir. It talks about the laws which are exempted from any kind of judicial review, we can say. Not exactly.
There cannot be a judicial review of all those acts which are included in Schedule 9.
No, so there can be, after the Keshwan and the Bharti case, it was stated that there can be judicial review of them also.
Over to Nimish sir.
आपने बताया कि आप अलवर से हैं।
Yes, sir.
आप हमें बताइए बेसिकली अलवर के पड़ोसी जिलों के कौन कौन से पड़ोसी जिले हैं?
Okay, sir. Sir, Jaipur and Dausa, Sikar.
सीकर अलवर का पड़ोसी जिला है।
Yes, sir. थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है, आप श्योर हैं?
Yes, sir. As far as I've read it.
चलिए ठीक है। अलवर जब भी माइंड में आता है तो अलवर के कुछ उपनाम भी हैं। आप बता सकते हैं कि अलवर के कोई उपनाम जो अलवर जिसके लिए फेमस है?
अलवर का सेकंड नेम है स्कॉटलैंड ऑफ राजस्थान भी बोलते हैं इसको, एंड लायन गेट ऑफ राजस्थान एंड कश्मीर ऑफ ईस्टर्न राजस्थान, ये भी बोलते हैं इसको।
चलिए ठीक है। सिंघवार भी बोलते हैं कैसो राजस्थान का?
सर सिंह द्वार का तो मैंने सुना है, बट सिंहवा का
नहीं, सिंह द्वार,
यस
राजस्थान का
सर।
सिंह द्वार।
यस सर।
हाँ जी। चलिए ठीक है। आप अलवर जिले से बिलोंग करते हैं। अलवर जिले में टोटल कितनी विधानसभा क्षेत्र हैं, और आप अलवर में स्पेसिफिकली किस विधानसभा क्षेत्र से हैं?
सर, एज फार एज आई नो 3 विधानसभा क्षेत्र हैं, और अलवर जो मेन है उसमें हूँ मैं।
आप अलवर मेन विधानसभा में हैं।
यस
तो
सर।
आपके करंट एमएलए का नाम क्या है?
सर, श्री संजय शर्मा।
मिस्टर संजय शर्मा। चलिए एक सवाल और आपसे। आपको पता है कि आपके जो एमएलए हैं वो वर्तमान में मिनिस्टर भी हैं?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो आप बताइए वो किस मिनिस्ट्री को हेल्ड कर रहे हैं अलवर में, वो राजस्थान में?
फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को।
फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को। और आपके अलवर में एक सरिस्का वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी भी है।
यस सर।
हाँ जी, तो आप बताइए, क्या वो सरिस्का वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी आपके मिनिस्टर के कंट्रोल में है? मतलब वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी जो है वो स्टेट के कंट्रोल में होती है कि सेंट्रल के कंट्रोल में होती है?
सर, एज फार एज आई नो, मे बी कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट का सब्जेक्ट हो है।
चलिए ठीक है। आपके कोई स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट जिसमें आप थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल हैं?
सर, एविडेंस एक्ट।
एविडेंस एक्ट में आपकी कॉलेज कब कंप्लीट हुआ?
सर, 2023।
23 में? तो ये आपका आरजेएस का कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है?
द सेकेंड।
इससे पहले वाले अटेम्प्ट में आप किस स्टेज तक गए थे?
सर, इंटरव्यू दिया था मैंने।
इंटरव्यू दिया था? तो हमने आपको लास्ट, वो कौन से ईयर में आपने इंटरव्यू दिया था?
सर, इससे लास्ट जो अटेम्प्ट था ना।
2024 में?
ओ यस सर।
आप बताइए दो प्रमुख कारण
हम्म,
जिस वजह से आप लास्ट ईयर सेलेक्ट नहीं हो पाई।
सर, एक रीजन जो मुझे लग रहा है कि जो मेरे एग्जाम इंटरव्यूअर थे उनमें से एक मेंबर मेरे को, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू हियर हिम, एंड मैंने उनको 2-3 बार बोला रिपीट करने के लिए, बट ज्यादा मैं नहीं बोल सकती थी बिकॉज वो रूड लगता, तो कई क्वेश्चंस मैं सुन नहीं पाई और फिर मैंने उसी को बोल दिया कि सॉरी मुझे नहीं आता, ताकि मैं गलत आंसर ना कर दूं।
क्या सिर्फ यही रीजन है, इसके अलावा?
तो उसके अलावा मेरी कॉन्फिडेंस की मेरी थोड़ी सी मुझे लगी।
चलिए 24 और 25, अभी 2025 में आप हैं हमारे सामने। आपने ऐसे क्या चेंजेस किए खुद के ऊपर जो वापस से आप इंटरव्यू पैनल के सामने अपेयर हुए हैं?
सर, मुझे पिछले 1 साल में काफी चीजों का एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, मतलब विद टाइम न्यू चीजें हमने 1 साल में सीखी हैं, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं और कॉन्फिडेंस फील हो रहा है। एंड कॉन्फिडेंस से भी मैं ट्राई करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं बिल्ड करूँ उसको, मेरे फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस मेंटेन रहें और उनमें अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट ना दिखूं मैं।
ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं कि मैं लास्ट ईयर पैनलिस्ट को सुन नहीं पाई, इस वजह से मैं आंसर नहीं दे पाई, यही सेम सिचुएशन इस बार मान के चलिए आपके साथ हुई
हम्म,
कि आप, हम में से आप किसी एक को आप प्रॉपरली नहीं सुन पाई, तो इस बार आप इस सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करेंगे?
सर, इस बार मैं डायरेक्ट बोल दूंगी कि प्लीज आप बोल थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कर दीजिए।
तो इस बार वो रूड बिहेवियर नहीं लगेगा?
सर, मैं स्टार्टिंग में ही बोल दूंगी कि थोड़ा पूरे टाइम के लिए तेज बोले वो थोड़ा, जिससे कि मैं
चलिए,
गलत आंसर पिछली बार की तरह रिपीट ना करूं।
चलिए एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे। आप
Yes.
हमें बताइए, कोई भी दो बात आप हमें बताइए जो आपको लगता है कि न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज जो जब आए हैं, हम स्पेसिफिकली बीएनएसएस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, और सिर्फ दो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बात आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जानना चाहते हैं बीएनएसएस के ऊपर, जो आपको लगता है कि ये हमारे क्रिमिनल लीगल सिस्टम के लिए एक वरदान साबित होंगे।
तो फर्स्ट जो मुझे लगता है कि जैसे हर चीज बहुत टाइम बाउंड कर दी है, रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दी है, तो उससे ट्रायल्स और प्रोसेसेस बहुत जल्दी होंगे। एक तो ये रीजन लगता है मुझे, और सेकंड है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एविडेंसेस, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रायल्स और नंबर ऑफ एडजर्नमेंट्स फिक्स कर देना। उससे कोई अननेसेसरी डिले नहीं हो सकते, या कोई विटनेस या कोई पार्टी एक्सक्यूज नहीं दे सकती। ये
चलिए ठीक है।